Hi, my name is Doug, and I'm going to share with you my experiences with Mikk and his cryptocurrency coaching program that he has offered and that I am involved with. Let me first say that I'm not a financial guy. I'm not a finance guru, and by any sense of the imagination, I'm just an ordinary average guy, probably just like you. But I do realize one thing, that in life, mostly we wind up trading time for money, or we trade value for money, in which case we're also using that value through time. So time is finite, and while we are using that time and we can increase our value, it only works when we're awake, when we're available, and when we're accessible. So how do we increase our income, and how do we increase our wealth by any other means? And that's through passive income. And I'm sure you've heard that term before, and I have too, which is why I have investments in 401ks and all of that. So money hopefully works when I'm sleeping or not. But I wanted to get into the crypto space, and realizing that crypto is the future, I wanted to see what it was all about. Well, crypto is a very volatile platform. As you can probably guess, Bitcoin goes up and down in value a great deal. Ethereum goes up and down in value a great deal. And so do the other cryptocurrencies. But what is that telling you? That's telling you that people are trading money for Bitcoin and Bitcoin for money. Or they're trading Bitcoin for Ethereum or another cryptocurrency, or they're trading another cryptocurrency for Bitcoin. So what does that mean? That means that every time there's a transaction, just like your bank, when you make a transaction, they charge you a wonderful fee, don't they? Well, they charge me a fee too. And so when you go trade on an exchange for cryptocurrency, what you're doing is you are getting charged a fee. Well, what Mikk has done is he said, why don't you become involved in that fee exchange? And that's what he's done. So you can make passive income, and you can get involved with fees that generate, and they can be significant. I typically will make 100, sometimes 200, depending on the type of trading that I do. And while I'm not getting rich, I do make about $2,000 a month. And it is nice to be able to go out to dinner and to be able to do other things with that money. So I invite you, check it out, see what Mikk has to say. His personal integrity, his ability to communicate, and his desire to see you succeed and to make himself accessible for you, I have not found in many other people. And he is a genuine human being. I love him, and I respect the man for his knowledge and for his heart in sharing whenever he can, and to make himself accessible. Anyway, thank you. I hope this helps you. Have a nice day. Bye.